Today we are going to talk about flowchart. Imagine you are trying to explain a piece of code to your coworker. You have two options. First is explaining in paragraphs or making a flowchart. Which one you will choose? Some of you will say that I will explain in paragraphs and make other person understand. But trust me, that is not the best option to choose. And you are going to understand this by end of the video. So a flowchart is a diagram that represents the step by step flow of your program using symbols and arrows. In programming, it helps us plan logic before writing code. It helps us understand how a program works, and it helps debug errors more easily. Think of it as a blueprint for your code. Before jumping into coding, developers often use flowcharts because it simplifies complex problems. You can visualize decisions and outcomes. Logical mistakes are easier to spot. It helps us it helps team to understand the program quickly. Instead of guessing what your code should do, you see it clearly on the flowchart. Here are some basic symbols in flowchart. First is oval. It represents a beginning or ending of the program. Second is rectangle. It represents an action or instruction. Third is parallelogram. It used for taking inputs or displaying outputs. Fourth is diamond. Represents a condition or decision. And fifth one is it used to show the direction of execution. These symbols make flowchart universal and easy to understand. Let's take an example. Suppose you want to draw a flowchart for a program that checks a number is even or odd. First, we will use oval to start a flowchart. Then we will take a input from user. Then we will check if n mod 2 is equal to 0. If it is yes, then we will print even or we will print odd. And then we will again use oval for ending the flowchart. This visual step by step representation is exactly what we call a flowchart in programming. Instead of writing code directly, this flowchart helps you visualize the logic first. Flowcharts are not a replacement for code, they are a planning tool. Flowchart is visual logic and code is a implementation. So, good programmers often think in flowcharts before they write code. So, just to summarize, a flowchart is a visual representation of a program's logic using symbols and arrows. It helps you plan, understand, and debug programs efficiently. Before writing your next program, try drawing a flowchart. You will see you will be surprised how much easier coding becomes. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.